Hi there, this is Joe. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use visual PoE switch to power different IP devices. Here we have PoE IP camera. This is very typical one. And we have big one PTZ camera. And also the access point. Now let's take a look at the visual PoE switch. First we power up. There's small LCD display which allow us to read the status of the PoE switch, such like how much power each of the IP device is taking from the switch. Also how much data is changing. There's 5 push buttons which allow us to access the menu and manage the switch. Right now let's power up the camera. First we plug the Ethernet cable to the terminal of the camera. And we pick one of the ports from the switch to send the power. Once we plug in, we can see the LCD display will turn on, which means the camera is taking the power from the switch. And if you force to turn on the LED, the power will grow up. Alright, now let's move to the bigger one. Once we power up the PTZ camera, it start panning and tilt. You can see the bigger one requires much power than the small camera. Alright, now let's go to the last one. This is the access point, which is quite useful. Imagine if there's several rooms which require Wi-Fi. You just need a visual PoE switch and plus some Ethernet cable. Then the cable will send both network and power to each of the access point and create the Wi-Fi from there. Right now, just power up. Once the access point receives the power, also the network, then it can start creating the Wi-Fi. Okay, now let's go to take a close look at the menu. Right now, you can see the access point is taking 1.8 volt from this visual PoE switch. And the data is almost zero because we didn't connect any Wi-Fi device to this access point. Now to enter the menu, we need to push the menu button and hold for a minute. And we can use up and down button to select the menu. Here we can set the network mode, bandwidth, and control the power for each port. Also other settings such like the fans and the LCD. So to enter the subsetting, we need to push enter. Then we can choose the option. Then we can push the back to return. Then return to the information menu. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.